biggest joke of this whole thing was the beauty blender. Super disappointed that they even thought that this would be okay to put in there. It's not. Is the Sephora Favorites 2024 Advent Calendar really worth the $548 value price tag? Let's find out. Today, I'm unboxing Sephora's highly anticipated holiday Advent Calendar. So think top tier skincare, makeup, and beauty goodies. All right, let's get started. I am so excited, and I honestly didn't even peek to see what's inside this because I want to be just as surprised as you. My favorite moment. Look at how beautiful she is. Okay, this looks so cool, and some of these are so big, so I hope we get some good things. All right, no more wasting time. Let's get into it. Door number 1. Ooh, this is a good one. We're off to such a good start. The first product is a Salt & Stone deodorant. Okay, I need to smell this. Ooh, that smells really good. It looks super cool. I've seen this in Sephora before. I've never tried it. I can't wait to see what I think of this. Door number 2. Oh, a Say product. So this is the Say Black Mascara. I don't think I've tried this mascara either. Let's see what the wand looks like. I love a new mascara, and honestly, I think this is a full-size product. Moving on to door number 3. Oh, nice. Dr. Dennis Gross Fill and Repair Serum. Oh my gosh, I really wanted to try this. I need to see if this is the product I'm thinking of because it looks really cool. It says it's an alternate to injectable filler that visibly fills lines, plumps, and firms skin. Okay, I'm really excited to try this one. Door number 4. Amika. It's the Mika Soul Food Nourishing Mask. Okay, this is so much fun. Let's go on to door number 5. Ooh, this looks so cool and I don't recognize it. I think it says In Beauty Project. That's the brand name. Face Glaze. That sounds so cool. Highlighting gel cream. Adds a soft focus glow and supports skin barrier. Cool. That gives your skin a gorgeous, soft focus glow. On to the next one. Number 6. Oh, cool. It's the Dermalogical Daily Micro Exfoliant Brightening Rice-Based Powder Exfoliant Powder. Is it powder? It is powder. I've seen these things before, the powder exfoliants, but I've never used them. So that's really unique. Don't know how well it's going to work, but that's really unique. Number 7. Looks like a lipstick. I know exactly what this is. I'm sure that this is, yes, the Clinique Almost Lipstick in the shade Black Honey. When I tell you, they put this product in every gift set you could ever imagine. I probably have like 6 of these. If you've never used it, it's like pretty iconic. It's fairly sheer, but it does build up. Yeah, you can see it's quite sheer. It universally looks good on everyone. I feel like everyone has one of these at this point. So another one. Okay, number 8. Oh, this is one of my favorite products. I would have loved if this was in a bigger size, fairly tiny. This is the Sunday Riley Good Genes Lactic Acid. If you've ever tried this, you know that this is unreal. This makes your skin look beautiful, glass-like. It's just so good, but it's really, really expensive. And that's the one thing I hate because this is probably one of the best lactic acids I've ever used. So I'm happy they included this. I wish it was bigger. Number 9. Cool. It's the Tasha. How come I can't say it? Tasha. You know this one. Please somebody help me. Tasha. I'm gonna go with Tasha. So it's the Tasha Dewy Skin Cream. I mean, I see everyone using this, but I've never tried it. It is a really, really tiny sample. But I'm not going to complain. I'll give it a go. I've wanted to try this, but I refuse to ever spend that type of money on a skin moisturizer. We'll try it out. Number 10. Oh, cool. I think this is a brand Coffee. I'm not sure if I'm saying that right. It looks like it's an eyeliner in like a brown shade. Feels super creamy. Ooh, that's pretty. It is like coppery. You see that? It's like a copper eyeliner. Okay, that's kind of cool, kind of fun. This looks really cool. I mean, the color's pretty. I just don't know that I would use this kind of eyeliner. I'm kind of like a black only type of girly. Maybe for a brown smoky eye, Christmassy. Yeah, okay, maybe. We'll see. All right, let's go on to number 11. I've always wanted to try this. It's so cute. It's the Josie Marin Body Butter in Topless Tangerine, Pixie Tangerine, and Pink Grapefruit. That looks really cool. It's pretty small. I feel like a lot of these are very small. It says it's a travel size, so I guess that's why. Oh, wow. That smells unreal. Well, I literally go through so much body butter, so I will be using that. Number 12. Ooh, Clarins Total Eye Lift. Lift Replenishing Eye Concentrate. A little eye cream. Again, this looks like a sample size to me. All right, an eye cream. Can't go wrong with that. Guys, I'm a little bit underwhelmed so far. I hope that it gets better in the second half of the calendar. Okay, number 13. Let's see. Let's get something exciting. 13. Ooh, Milk Makeup. Okay, I like that. Okay, I haven't tried this before. This is the Milk Makeup Baked Matte Bronzer, or Matte Bronzer in the shade Bake. I have their contour. I love it. I have their blush. I love it. This will actually be fun. Let's swatch it and see how she looks. Ooh. I like how blendable these are and how creamy they are. I usually have really good luck with the Milk Makeup products. I am really excited about this. This, I feel like now we're talking. All right, moving on to door number 14. Oh, okay. Maybe all the good things are in the second half of the calendar. So this is the Summer Fridays Lip Butter Balm in the shade Vanilla. This is like a really good lip treatment. I don't think I've tried vanilla. Ooh, that smells really good. I'll just show you. So it's like their clear shade. Super hydrating, nourishing. People swear by the Summer Fridays Lip Butter Balms. That's a really good one to get. It is a small sample size, I believe, but still I'm happy with that. All right, number 15. The Ordinary. So this looks like another full-size product. This is their niacinamide 10% plus zinc 1%. I believe it's just like a serum, like a really hydrating serum. I'm happy with that. I like serums. I go through a lot of serum moisturizer type things. Okay, number 16. Oh my goodness. Are you serious? This is the craziest thing I've ever seen. Do you guys see how freaking tiny this is? It's the size of like my nail. It says it's a Beauty Blender Makeup Sponge Deluxe Sample. They didn't even give me a full Beauty Blender? Stop it right now. Are you kidding me? Do you see this? That's gotta be a joke. For under eyes, sure, but like, come on. I'm offended. I'm a little offended. I don't even care to try this. Okay, let's just move on. Number 17. All right, I mean, it's another really small size, but it is the Estee Lauder Advanced Night Repair Serum. I actually love this serum, but I am a little bit upset that it is literally this tiny. This isn't even a deluxe size. This is like literally a sample size. You could probably get this free if you went into a department store and asked them for it. It's like 7 milliliters, so it's very small. I really like this serum, but wow, I can't believe it. I really thought there would be some more bigger full-size products in this, because how is this supposed to be $540 worth of value? Okay, let's go on. We still have a few more. So number 18, the Inky List. Okay, so this is a caffeine eye cream. It's supposed to help the appearance of tired eyes. I mean, I like the Inky List. They have cool products. I've never tried this before. I do think this is a full-size product, so that's good at least. Okay, number 19, a good brand. Sol de Janeiro Boom Boom Body Firming Oil. Okay, I've never tried this. This excites me. Okay, it smells really good. It has their iconic signature scent. This I'm excited about. This I'm excited to try. Yeah. I'm excited for this. This is a good one. Okay, number 20. Ooh, Benefit. Okay, so it's the Benefit Fan Fest Mascara. I mean, I like Benefit mascaras. They are quite good mascaras. I do think I like this mascara. They already gave us another mascara in this set though, so it would have been nice to get a little bit more diversity of products. That's okay. Good mascara. This is a good mascara. Okay, number 21. Glow Recipe. Okay, again, a really tiny one, 5 milliliters. It's a Glow Recipe Watermelon Glow Niacinamide Hue Drops. I haven't tried these either. I remember when they came out this year, they were super popular. Yeah, I'm excited to try it. I'm not a big hue girl, but let's do a little swatch, see what it looks like. Very glowy. That looks really pretty. I mean, I do really like the original Watermelon Dewdrop, so I think I'll like this. I wish it was a bigger size. I'm not going to complain anymore though. So I'm happy with this. That's cool. Something I haven't tried before that I am excited to try. All right, we're running out of days. Let's move on to 22. It's a big one. Oh yeah. Okay, so the Peace Out Puffy Eyes. I wanted to try these as well. These are like the deep puffy under eye patches. These are cool. I feel like you can't go wrong with eye patches. These are always useful to have, so that's really fun. I like this one. 23. Ooh, it's a product from Fresh. Oh, ooh, I think we got a full-size product. travel size product. Yeah, it says travel size product, but it actually feels like a decent size product. Okay, so this is the Fresh Lotus Youth Preserve Dream Face Cream. So it's like a face moisturizer. I like Fresh. They have really nice products. Okay, number 24. Oh, we got a 2-in-1. We got a 2-in-1. That's really good. Love it. Living Proof sample set. There's shampoo and conditioner, the Perfect Hair Day shampoo and conditioner. Cutie little bottles. I mean, the bottles are so cute. I guess, again, they're good for travel, but they're pretty small still. Very tiny. Very, very, very small. But at least I got 2 in that one. Okay, number 25. I really hope this is something like that and blows my mind. Oh, okay. I actually really like this. This is the Ole Henriksen Pout Preserve Peptide Lip Treatment. I actually have this already. But you know what? This is such a good lip treatment. Again, we got the Summer Fridays one in this collection. This looks like it's a full size and this smells so good. I'm probably going to gift this one. So I'm going to open the one I have. Yes, it is the Citrus Sunshine. It's clear. I love the Ole Henriksen lip treatments. They're really, really nice. They're super hydrating. They feel good on the lip. I'm very happy that they included a full size in this set. Well, guys, I'm kind of disappointed. A little bit disappointed, a little bit underwhelmed, but mostly disappointed. I'm pretty sure last year this was so good. I loved it. I swear there was so many products in it that I was obsessed with. This year, a lot of sample size, maybe some travel sizes. Man, I can only think of 2 full-size products that we got. I'm gonna check. Okay, from what I can tell, there are 5 travel-size products. The Benefit Mascara, the Dermalogica Daily Exfoliant, Fresh Lotus Face Cream, the Josie Martin Body Cream, and the Salt and Stone Deodorant. So there was 5 travel size. So it looks like there's 8 full-size products. The Ordinary Niacinamide Face Serum, the Inkyless Caffeine Eye Cream, the Say Mascara, the Ole Henriksen Pout Preserve Lip Treatment, the Milk Makeup Bronzer Stick, the In Beauty Face Glaze, the Coffee eyeliner, and the Clinique Almost lipstick. Even seeing all that, that's still, to me, honestly, it doesn't seem like this could be worth $548. Like, normally, I find the value so good. All the gift sets that I reviewed, value 100% there, no question. Loved all those. But this, guys, I'm not gonna lie, I don't think it's worth it. I really don't. Unless you really like those full and travel size products, to me, meh. Underwhelmed. Super, super underwhelmed. Super sad. I love this every year. Like, the biggest joke of this whole thing was the beauty blender. That was really sad to see. I'm super disappointed that they even thought that this would be okay to put in there. It's not. It's not okay. If I had to pick one product that I'm most excited for, it'd probably be the Milk Makeup Bronzer. I am really excited to try this. It's something I've wanted to buy in the past. So for me, this is my product of the pick. Let me know in the comments what you think about this advent calendar. Am I overreacting? Would you buy this advent calendar? I want to know your thoughts because I'm so confused. I think that wraps up this unboxing, but if you want to see more holiday gift set unboxings or even more advent calendars, make sure you hit that subscribe button so you don't miss out. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.